Let's go straight across to Priyanka Chaturvedi, Shiv Sena Rajya Sabha MP who was there in the house when this happened. Priyanka Chaturvedi, you're hearing the charges and counter charges. Opposition MPs, including yourself, are claiming that you all were targeted by the marshals. Piyush Goyal, leader of the BJP in the Rajya Sabha, instead is now saying that some of the opposition MPs have manhandled a woman security marshal. What's going on?
What is happening is what we're seeing and witnessing is a government which refuses to acknowledge that 60% of India's voices is not being heard. A united opposition wants to speak on subjects which matter to the people of this country, and they have been shouting us down. The slimy way the general insurance bill was brought about, and women protesting MPs who were also in the well of the house, who were protesting against the way the bill was brought in. We saw a cordon of four line of marshals trying to stop us, trying to have a barricade around us, and even some of our women MPs were manhandled. We were jostled around. And this is not how it works. And within the
ma'am, if you go into the well of the house, what are the marshals supposed to do? I want clarity from you. Are you ready? Are you ready for an investigation of there are CCTV cameras?
I really think that an investigation is needed simply because you have a government which tries to totally roughshod over the opposition. And please, going to the well of the house is not the first time that something like this has happened. And even Sharad Pawarji on record has said that in his 55 years of career, public life, and being a parliamentarian, he hasn't witnessed the kind of scenes he saw today, the way the insurance bill was brought in, and how women MPs were manhandled. Are we goons? Are we dacoits for them to behave the way they did? And I'm sure they did it with the express instructions coming from the government of the day.
Priyanka Chaturvedi, to say that women MPs were manhandled by marshals is a very serious charge. I ask you again, are you open for this CCTV footage which is available to be part of an inquiry? Because the government is saying that it is opposition MPs who manhandled a woman marshal.
That's absolutely incorrect to say. I was witness to what was happening. In fact, I also took this up that where women MPs were out on the well, they had marshals who were male, and where male MPs were protesting, they had marshals who were women. And this is something I brought to their notice, that this is absolutely incorrect. And you know, what I would really appreciate if they can actually do an investigation. No one's scared of an investigation simply because this government will be proved to be liars, to be absolutely undemocratic, passing bills unconstitutionally.
Were you manhandled yourself, ma'am?
I was part of the jostling that was happening by the marshals, but a lot of Congress members of parliament and TMC members of parliament were manhandled.
Okay, that is you are ready, you're open for that CCTV footage to be made if necessary, public be the subject of an inquiry.
The country needs to witness how Rajya Sabha TV is disrupted, how live feed is disrupted every time the opposition speaks up. For example, when I stood up to speak about a 9-year-old Dalit girl's rape in Delhi, my mics were muted. So this has been happening consistently all through the monsoon session.
Okay.
I had hoped as a member of parliament, we would get to, speak our voices to be able to raise issues that matter to the people of this country. Unfortunately, this government is running away from it all.
That's your view. The government has a very different view. You've come in on that breaking story that's taken place. Women MPs now in parliament from the opposition alleging they were manhandled. The government claiming opposition MP manhandled a woman marshal. This is the state of our parliament. Thanks very much, Priyanka Chaturvedi, for joining.